If you want to know how to align text in Gamma app, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change text alignment inside Gamma, whether you want your text left aligned, centered, or right aligned. This is a simple but really useful formatting trick that can make your cards look cleaner, more polished, and much easier to read. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy app tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app, then sign in to your account. Once you're inside the Gamma, open the project or presentation you want to edit. You can choose an existing card or slide where you want to adjust the text alignment. This is important because Gamma lets you format content inside each card, so you'll need to select the exact block you want to change. Now click directly inside the text block. Once your cursor is active in the text area, highlight the text or paragraph you want to align. If you want to change the alignment for just one line, select that line. If you want to update the whole block, select the full paragraph. This gives you control over exactly what gets formatted. Next, look for the text formatting options. Depending on your version of Gamma and the type of block you're using, the controls may appear in a small toolbar, a side panel, or a formatting menu. Once you open those text options, look for the alignment settings. You should usually see choices like left align, center align, and right align. If the alignment option is available, choose the style you want. For most content, left alignment is the cleanest and easiest to read. Center alignment works well for titles, short callouts, or visually balanced designs. Right alignment can be useful for certain layouts or stylized sections. Just click the alignment option that matches the look you want for your card. After you apply the change, check the card carefully to confirm the text has moved into the correct position. Gamma updates the content right inside the card, so you should see the adjustment immediately. If it doesn't look quite right, simply click the text again and try a different alignment option until it matches your layout. A helpful tip here is to keep your alignment consistent across the entire project. If one card is left aligned and another is centered for no reason, the design can start to feel uneven. So once you find the best formatting style, try to use it consistently for headings, body text, and callouts. And that's it. You now know how to align text in Gamma app. Just open your project, select the text block, go into formatting options, and choose the alignment that works best for your design. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how professional your content looks. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.